Okay, I just finished soldering the buzzer now. Okay, the next step now is to strip this, and then I will be testing my buzzer if it's working accordingly. Okay, this is the alarm system I created. It's just a simple alarm system. It's a butler alarm. Okay, let me remove this solder. Let me take it the side. Okay. Then, yeah, this is my alarm. Okay. Not building this anymore. Okay, let's get the power supply going. Okay, this is my input. My other input for power supply is here. As you can see, when I plug this in, turns the green LED on, and then I will then have to connect my buzzer. This is where it comes in. It's already running, so it's gonna make some noise after connecting the buzzer.